In Kenya, you know, we have NGCDF, the CDF. We have money that goes to our governors, called equitable share. And then we have the national government. All of us participate in education matters. So my proposal has been very simple. Kenya has got 3 to 4 million learners in our senior secondary schools. We require only 30 billion Kenya shillings to make education in the senior secondary schools free and totally free, including the lunch program. And I am proposing that out of the money that we get at the constituency level called CDF, the country to get 10 billion shillings from there. That is 30 million Kenya shillings from every constituency, including Kiharu. So we'll have 10 billion shillings from CDF. We also talk to our governors to also give up 10 billion shillings. And I'm already talking to them from the equitable share. And then the national government, out of the 4.2 trillion Kenya shillings budget, to also get 10 billion Kenya shillings. And then we form a kitty we may call Kenya Day Secondary Schools kitty. And that money is enough to make quality education accessible to all these corners across Kenya for free without paying anything. A student in Kenya requires around 35 shillings per day, for a meal per day. And they are in schools 185 days in a year. So we require around 6,500 shillings per year, per learner. And then we can top up something for the principals to do the other things they need to do in the schools, including employing BOM teachers. So I'm just here to tell you, it is possible. And I want to tell you, I will take it up, even if I'll be the only single leader in Kenya who will do it. Nimejitolea kuifanya na itafanyika. We have had learners coming all the way from Kariobangi who are studying in Kiharu, living in families hosted by strangers. I have one at a place called Gaitheri, who came all the way from Kariobangi. He was a student in Dagoretti High School, but they couldn't manage because of fees. He was out of school for 2 years. Then he found his way to Kiharu. He's being hosted by a total stranger in terms of family lineage, and a person who is not too well off. But the young man, the last exam, he had a plain A. So how many more Kenyan young people are losing out and they are being locked out of our education system just because we cannot do such a thing? I believe there are many. And that is why I am just repeating, I don't want this agenda to be an election year agenda. The Kenyan budget is made in June. I want that issue to be done by that June, if not earlier, so that every Kenyan can get an opportunity to be a better workforce and to be a better provider of human capital.